Basil includes hydrophobic volatile essential oils that are high in antioxidants. This implies they aren't soluble in water and are light and small enough to pass through the air and via our skin's pores. Basil's volatile essential oils are responsible for the herb's characteristic scent and taste, as well as its medicinal properties. Basil belongs to the mint family of plants. This herb's scientific name is Ocimum basilicum L, and its nutrients can provide health benefits. The following are numerous health benefits of basil.